Flyboard air, task 1. Safety? Okay. Engine ready? Okay. Camera 1? Ready. Camera 2?
Ready.
Let's see. Three, 2, 1, ignition!
Test 1 completed. Mission 1.
What is it like to feel like a superhero? It was our dream to bring this feeling to you through the design and development of the ARC board. Our creativity in the past few months was pushed like never before, making it possible for the first time in history for you to fly whenever you want, wherever you want. There are no limits, no restrictions, no boundaries. Only you and the ARC board. Feel the power of flight like you never thought possible. We are all leaving a mark upon the world. We are engineering the future. We feel like superheroes, and now you can experience it too.
Sleeping mask, which protects the user from any disturbing light or sound. Visually, it resembles a virtual reality headset, is attached with the help of Velcro, and it completely covers the user's head regardless of its size. Inside, the accessory is finished with a soft foam material, which uses the so-called memory effect, making it possible to replace the usual pillow. The gadget completely blocks both light and external sound. The dense material doesn't allow light rays to pass through, even if they fall directly on the user, while the soft ear pads block all external noise. These functions are very useful for afternoon napping, traveling, or during a meditation session. In addition, the mask has built-in speakers which you can move within the soft layer to find the most comfortable position. Using Bluetooth technology, speakers can emit soothing sounds from the user's smartphone, as well as instructions for breathing exercises. In addition, silent mode can work with Spotify and other music applications. The built-in battery lasts 24 hours, and this device will cost potential buyers $130. Neo Smart Pen